What is up, you guys? Max back here with another video, and in this video I'm going to be changing the oil at home on my V6 Camaro. So I'm going to be going through it step by step, so let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to be going over is what you actually need. So you're going to need your oil filter. You can just go to your local automotive store and tell them your car, you're going to tell me if a 5th gen Camaro, V6 or whatever it is, and we will tell you what oil filter you need. Then actually get the oil itself. The Camaro holds 5.5 to 6 quarts of oil, so you're going to get one big 5, and then you're going to get just one more quart of oil. Not a big deal to have extra oil lying around. And then you want to lift the car up if possible. You want to get it on jacks or ramps like we did. And then after that, you can take the engine cover off. This isn't necessary, but it's going to be a lot easier later, and you're going to thank yourself that you did it just because you're going to have more room. After that, you're going to need a 15mm socket to get rid of the drain plug underneath the car. You can see it's right here. And then you just want to let it drain inside a bucket of some kind to be disposed of later. Then what you want to do is unscrew the filter cap. And then after you get the old filter out, then you can just dispose of that. And then lubricate the new filter on both ends. And it should just fit exactly where the old filter was, nice and easy. And then screw the cap back on. Make sure it's nice and tight. I didn't mention this earlier, but you definitely want to plug that drain plug, tighten it up before you're able to put any new oil in. Then what you want to do is get ready to put your new oil in. You want to probably put all of the 5 quarts from that first jug or whatever, so you can pour that all the way in. You definitely want to take this nice and slow. Then you want to get your dipstick and make sure that the oil is at an adequate level, and obviously we're going to need a little bit more, so I poured the most of the other quart in. And then you want to grab your dipstick once again, and then if it's between those two lines, it's hard to focus, but if it is between those two lines, you should be all good. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and were able to follow along. Any questions, leave them down below. I know this is sort of a easy thing to do, but just want to make a quick video for people who are beginners or just wondering how to do it. So yeah, like I said, leave comments down below if you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.